When you have the letter ta at the end of the words, it can be written in two ways. One is with the open ta, and the other one is with the closed ta. And they call the closed ta ta marbuta. And also in the poem of Ibn al-Jazari, he says ta al-untha lam tuktab biha. So he talks about that, about the different ways, the ta, open ta and the closed ta. So what happens is, normally speaking, you can stop in three ways, in the sukun mahad and rom and ishmam. So when you have the closed ta, it changes to a ha. Like for example, you see over here, you have rahmah, you have the ta, and it changes to ha, so you say rahmah. And ni'ma, it changes to ha, say na'ma. And la'na, it changes to a la'nah, with it changes to a ha, even though the ta is there. Now what happens, these three words, sometimes it's written with a closed ta, and sometimes it's listed with the open ta. If it's listed with the open ta, the ta that's wide, like over here, rahmatu, you have to pronounce the ta. Rahmat, you have to say rahmat. That's how you have to do it if it's an open ta. And likewise over here, ni'mat, you have to do that. And ni'mat with the ta, the open ta. But the closed ta, it changes to a ha when you stop on it. Now what happens is these three words, la'na and ni'ma and rahma, as well as imra'ata, some places it's written with the closed ta, and some places it's written with the open ta. And the Sheikh Ibn al-Jazari, the Sheikh of Tajweed, the main Sheikh, he has a whole chapter in the Jazariya that talks about the places where it's written with the open ta, and the places where it's written with the closed ta. And the Sheikh, he says the open ta, he calls it ta az-zabara, which comes from zabur, which is very interesting. That's the term that he uses for the open ta. And he has a whole chapter in the Jazariya poem that talks about the places where these three words, as well as imra'ata, where it's written with the open ta and with the closed ta. And again, what happens is the closed ta changes to a ha, the open ta, it uses it with a ta. And then also there's rules for it for we're stopping on Rome and Ishmael. We'll have another video for that in part 2. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.